more such things should come, by which the regional identity of Goa gets strengthened. We are inaugurating on 14th of February, on Valentine's Day. We are inaugurating a passport office here. So South Goa has expectations that there should be decentralization. Major offices which are being used by people, which लोकांक त्रास जाता हांगाच्यान पणजे वचपाक, ती आमी सवलत लोकांक दिवंक जाय. So central governmentan सवलती दिवंक जाय in a better way. CRZच्या लोकांचे expectation आहा ते CRZचे expectation meet जाले. Also there should be development. Goa should become world class. The new Goa which we are intending to build cannot happen without central help. That central help should be forthcoming. Maybe perhaps a law even to legalize traditional sports like Dhirio. Why not? If I was to contest the Lok Sabha elections, I would have had this as a manifesto promise that we would legalize this. Let us see to it that there is no cruelty to anyone. In boxing, we don't kill one another, yet we box. It is an accepted sport. गोंयांत एक ट्रेडिशन आहा ते ट्रेडिशनाक मान दिवन कायदे करूंक जाय. हें लोकसभेचे कॅम्पेनीन जर कोणें एस्पावस केलें जाल्यार ताका स्थानीक लोकांचो चड सपोर्ट मेळूंक शकता अशें म्हाका दिसता. हांव कांय तें लोकसभा इलेक्शन आमची पार्टी कॉन्टेस्ट करना. So I am not speaking this, but I, as a layman, I feel if these issues come to the fore, by which Goans don't have to leave Goa, go abroad for better prospects, that they get those prospects here in Goa itself, that in Goa it is Goinkar first. All these things happen, then people will endorse such parties.
लोकसभेत कितें आसा
because you will be an alliance partner.
I don't know whether BJP will see, because BJP is a national party, will fight the election on national issues. But if they take, see, the Prime Minister is giving a lot of stress on what is called as regional aspiration. He says Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat, with regional aspirations. हे तो याद करता. हे regional aspiration खातीर जर आमकां कोणें विचारलें as NDA allied, I will certainly press for this. खूब इश्यूज आहा न्ही गोंयांत गोवा सेंट्रीक इश्यूज आहा. मायनींग आतां सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या हातूंत ताणें इंटरफियर जायना आमी म्हणलां सगळें, पूण मायनींग इज अ लायवलीहूड इश्यू. शूड बी सॉर्टेड आउट, शूड बी बेनिफिटींग द लोकल्स. सो हें कशें तरी जावंक जाय. गव्हर्मेंट डिजॉल्व जाता म्हणटा तें आतां तूं उलयता, तुजे पयलीं काँग्रेस उलयता, आनी कोण उलयना. हें आमी खंयचेच गणितान तें कशें बसता तें म्हाकाय कळना, पूण आयकूंक येता. आज आमच्या सेंट्रल ऑब्जर्वर काँग्रेसीचो जो आहा ताणें हांवें वाचलां पेपरान, तो म्हणटा डिजोल्युशन जाता. काल म्हाका चर्चिल सांगतालो जाता काय कितें रे म्हणून. सो अशें आयकूंक येता. बट इट एपियर्स टू बी अ प्लॅन ऑफ द काँग्रेस टू पूट दॅट फियर इन टू द एमएलए दॅट डिजोल्युशन जाता. तें कशें डिजोल्युशन जातलें आनी कित्याक जातलें हें म्हाका लॉजीक ताजें समजना. आयकूंक येता आनी जातलें अशें म्हणलें जाल्यार तयारी आसपा जाय. Therefore we should be fearless, we should be ready to fight an election. So that readiness is there, but the logic of dissolving a house, when you are having a majority, when the allies are not disturbing you, I don't understand the logic.